Hello, good people! During this next phase of the van conversion, we put up all the walls and really furnished the bus. There were a lot of sewing, painting and wiring, and also some textile work and a couple of visits to IKEA. We were eager to do anything possible each day, and so the weather often decided what we could do and in what order. And we sometimes had several projects running in parallel, so to keep some structure of the different sections of the build, the continuity of this video might not be as good as it's been in the previous ones.
Satisfying.
But that being said, enjoy the video.
Yo guys.
How about that bed, huh? Pretty nice, pretty nice.
With a crash pad.
Yeah. It's kind of a great way to store the crash pad because it takes up so much space in the garage otherwise. It's a bit more hard than a usual sleeping mattress. But I think we can work around that somehow.
Take them all.
Time to paint some walls, painting those and also the bed and enjoy the time lapse.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Hey guys, so we made a lot of progress. It's a bit dark, isn't it? I'll fix that for you. Hey, internal lights. Anyways, we made a lot of progress today. Put up a lot of plywood boards and installed some lights and also painted it. And I thought I would do one last thing before calling it a day. Namely, a LED strip. Can you see it? Yeah. So the idea is to have it along this edge. Let's get going. Hey.
As anyone who has committed to van life would tell you, there are a few things you have to sacrifice when living in a van. And yeah, there are a lot of things you have to sacrifice, like unlimited power and running water and just a space to live in. But one thing I'm not willing to sacrifice for van life is PC gaming, So I'm actually going to have a full-size tower PC in here, and with that, of course, I need a good place to have my monitor. So I ordered this monitor stand / arm, and I think something like that will work just fine. Would you look at that?
Speaking of the computer, how the hell am I to power a full-size PC in the car? I actually bought an EcoFlow Delta power station. What's that, you ask? Well, it's kind of a 100 amp hour lithium battery and a solar charger and an inverter and a USB hub, all in one kind of portable package. And it can recharge from 0 to 80% in just 1 hour. This was one of the big selling points for the EcoFlow. I can basically carry this battery to any power outlet and just chill for one lunch break to get 1000 watt hours of power. And the inverter allows me to drain almost 2 kilowatts continuously. So I'm going induction. Yep, my van is propane free, baby. Oh, by the way, if you want to check out EcoFlow yourself, I actually have an affiliate link in the description. And that's basically this video then. There's still some parts of the building left uncovered in this video, so that will come in a 4th episode. But until then, you'll promise me to have a great time, and I'll do the same. See you in the next video.